Yeah, guys, today we're opening an Optic 2022 blaster. First one. We got little packs.
It's $10. It's from like 10 tickets.
We got John Elway, not bad. I've seen a lot of downtowns. Michael Carter. Devontae Watt, is this numbered? No. And Jordan Davis. That was not that bad of a pack. Devin Lawrence. Hey, Barry Sanders Silver.
Yeah.
That's we got a pink in here. Chris.
No, it's fine if you don't want. I'm just
Jones,
trying to get an idea.
Michael Thomas. Hey, Aiden Hutchinson. That's probably the best card so far, and probably definitely. We got to insert. Matt June. My house. Patrick Mahomes, not numbered. Not numbered. I always think that's a touchdown. Javonte Williams. Randy Moss. Brock Purdy. That's probably. That might be.